Welcome to the third in a series of videos on the basic pottery tools. This one covers a review of the basic 10 pottery tools. Cotton towels are very important. They're for every potter's toolkit. They're used for cleaning up, smoothing clay, and keeping clay contained with a towel across your knees. Shamus is also very important. Shamus, as we've seen in the earlier video, can be used to secure the work to the wheel, smooth clay that is partially dried. Potter's needles. These needles are set in wooden handles and they're used for various purposes, from trimming to gauging the depth of various portions of the pottery piece and scoring slabs and coils. Cutoff wires are used for multiple purposes. The cutoff wire is used when you're wedging to remove an initial supply of clay from the clay brick. It can also be used to remove pieces from the pottery wheel itself when they're completed. Fettling knives have multiple purposes like other tools. They are thin-bladed knives that are hard in temper. They can be used for trimming, smoothing, and other activities related to the pottery piece. Ribs and scrapers are used for forming pieces while they're on the wheel. Using a rib, a potter can adjust the finish of a piece. It can adjust the shape and curve of a piece. Ribs come in multiple types, multiple shapes, and they're made out of different types of material. Some are metal, some are rubber, and some are wooden. Loop, wire, and ribbon tools are used for trimming and shaping pieces. Wooden modeling tools come in an astounding variety of shapes. They're useful for hand building, and they can also be used for a variety of throwing instances on the wheel. Sponges come in many shapes and sizes, and they're very useful in your pottery kit. They can be used to clean up the area. They can be used to smooth or dampen clay that has become too hard before trimming. Brushes. Brushes are used to carry water and slip to specific areas of a piece in the final finishing stage. They can also be used to apply underglaze to a piece to give it a pattern and color. The source material for this video is a quick survey of basic pottery tools and can be found at thespruce.com.